Sanbona, today's Zulu food of the day is Isibindi, the liver. In isiZulu, Isibindi isn't just food, it means strength and courage too. Traditionally, elders say, Isibindi sakha amandla, the liver gives you strength. It's often fried with onions, garlic, and a bit of spices, or just salt, creating that rich, mouth-watering aroma that fills the kitchen. Some cook it as a stew and serve it with uphuthu or ipapa. Whether beef or chicken liver, isibindi is packed with iron and flavor, the kind of meal that keeps you strong and proud of your roots. Like, share, and subscribe for more Zulu food lessons.